Hello everyone, today is Sunday the 10th of March. I'm going to show you a clip that I have for you, prediction I did yesterday on my weight this morning. Okay, so I just finished my pizza, quick one. I just ate today 2,360 calories, approximately 2,300 something. I didn't walk, I didn't go to the gym. I guarantee you tomorrow morning, I am not 63.55, I'll be 64 point something. For sure, I'm gonna gain on the scale tomorrow morning, okay? This is what happens when you understand calories, you understand movement, you understand how your body works. I know straight away that I'm going to be more than this morning, and that's absolutely fine. I knew it. It's a day off, but check it out, okay? Yes. So this morning I woke up to 64.3 kilo, which is a net gain of 750 grams. I'm going to show you the numbers. So first of all, I didn't go to the gym. I did not walk at all. It was raining all day. It was cold. I stayed home. So 2,318 calories total for yesterday and 103 grams, 103.5 grams of protein. Very good. As high as the day before. But remember, the day before we lost 50 grams. So let's take a look at the meals. I broke my fast with a hot chocolate. I was cold, it was raining. Then I had egg fried rice that I made myself. So 2 eggs, basmati rice, and mushrooms. Had 2 slices of toast, butter and jam, and muesli, obviously, because it's Saturday, it's raining, and we love muesli now, don't we? So then last meal, pizza, a little bit of cheese crackers, and chocolate. Bit of Diet Coke. Okay, so no calories for that. So you're looking at 2 days where we have the same amount of ingested calories. So you're obviously going to say, well, the day you ate pizza, you gain like almost a kilo, 750 grams is a lot. And the day you ate the same amount of calories, but it was nutritious, you didn't gain that. Yes, but guys, I also walked 11,040 steps, 7.7 kilometers. On the day I didn't gain, I actually lost 50 grams. And I also went to the gym and worked out for an intensity of 6 and 10. Like, physical activity is also going to burn a lot of calories. So that would explain why the day before I didn't necessarily gain weight. But also, yeah, the meals that I consumed on Friday were maybe a little more nutritious than the pizza. Pizza is good for the soul. It's good for your happiness levels, but it's very high in fat and carbs, but it's not supercharged in protein. But I don't regret it. Of course not. Pizza is important in your life if you like it. Just know that you'll need a very little amount to have a lot of calories. Whereas if you're eating like a Friday night with prawns and potatoes and it, like the whole day I had beans and corn, I had vegetables, I had a shake to start with. You can't compare the two in terms of nutritional value. So obviously I gained weight this morning. I'm gonna lose it because now it's Sunday and I'm going to meal prep this week. And I am going to leave it like this. You can decide, no, you know, the pizza is definitely not something that I want to include in my weight loss journey. Go for it, go for it. I do want to have a life a little bit sometimes, and when I crave pizza, I'm gonna have it, and it's usually on the weekend. And it was raining. It was so sad yesterday. It was so sad. Anyways, today's a new day. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with feedback on today. In the meantime, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.